Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on travel gear with REI detailed guide step by step clearly. First, start by creating a membership with REI. Membership is free and opens up access to exclusive deals and discounts. Once you're a member, check out REI's website or app for their sales section. Look for seasonal sales, clearance items, and special promotions. Sign up for the REI newsletter to receive notifications about upcoming sales. Next, consider using their price matching policy. If you find a lower price on an identical item from a competitor, REI will match it. This can ensure you get the best deal possible on your purchase. Additionally, explore REI's used gear section. Many items are in excellent condition and significantly cheaper than new ones. As a member, you earn back a percentage of your purchases to use later. Make sure to shop during their annual sales events. These events often feature steep discounts on popular travel gear. Check for local REI events where gear swaps or community sales occur. Participating in these can save you money and allow you to find unique items. Another great way to save is by utilizing REI's rental program. For infrequently used gear, renting may be more cost-effective than buying. Lastly, keep an eye on their social media channels. They often post limited-time offers and giveaways that can lead to significant savings. By following these steps, you can maximize your savings on travel gear with REI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.